Very good evening to everyone. निफ्टी 17,000 के पार ट्रेड कर रहा है 17,600 और बैंक निफ्टी भी आज बैंक निफ्टी में कुछ वीकनेस देखने मिली पर अभी फिलहाल बैंक निफ्टी स्टिल एट सपोर्ट। तो निफ्टी बैंक निफ्टी और अक्टूबर के कुछ पिक्स जो हम इक्विटी में लेंगे एज शॉर्ट टर्म स्विंग्स, तो मैं आपको वो बता देता हूँ। See, let's talk about Nifty first. निफ्टी इंडेक्स एक लॉन्ग टर्म कंसोलिडेशन के बाद सबको ये रेंज याद हो गई थी, मतलब लोग बोर हो रहे थे इस रेंज को देख के। 15,400 टू 15,800 या 15,900 या वी कैन से 16,000। उसके बाद ब्रेकआउट देके निफ्टी ने एक मूव किया है बहुत अच्छा वाला, वो है अराउंड लेट्स से कितने परसेंट का, एक 12% से भी ऊपर 13% का एक मूव निफ्टी ने हमें दिया है। और उसके बाद कुछ वीकनेस दिख रही है अभी निफ्टी में। ये क्या है, जब तक निफ्टी में लॉन्ग कब तक कैरी नहीं करने हैं, जब तक ये जोन बना हुआ है, एक छोटा सा जोन मैंने ड्रॉ किया हुआ था, ये एज ए सपोर्ट वर्क कर रहा था निफ्टी के लिए कुछ दिन पहले। और ये अब एक अच्छा रेजिस्टेंस बन चुका है। ये रेजिस्टेंस है 17,722। जब हालात ध्यान में ले हम, तो हम देख सकते हैं कुछ एक अच्छा करेक्शन वी कैन एक्सपेक्ट until the levels of 17,300। 17,300 के बाद सीधा अगला सपोर्ट अपना आएगा, वो रहेगा इधर इस कैंडल के नीचे 16,700, but I'm not expecting that move. Again the RT is falling like nothing, but until and unless RT crosses the 34,525 mark, my view will be bullish on IT stocks or even IT index. That's why I am long on HCL already. तो लेट्स सी, निफ्टी का तो सपोर्ट जोन बन रहा है अपना ये until and unless Nifty breaks this level of 17,550, we can't go short on Nifty. It can anytime bounce back. पर आज का जो FII DII डाटा आया है वो जरा डराने वाला लगा मेरे को, आपको एक बार बता देता हूँ। तो आज FIIs ने नेट सेलिंग की 2225 करोड़ की, और जो हम देख रहे थे 15 मिनट टाइम फ्रेम पे देखते हैं निफ्टी का चार्ट, तो वी कैन सी the last half hour buying which used to come along with Nifty in the last 1 hour or last half an hour, we can say from 3 p.m. every day, the Nifty got bought by the DIIs. But this day, on the current day, Nifty isn't showing that same thing. FIIs have sold a lot of quantity, which is 2,225 crores, and against that DI have bought only 97 crores. So we can say there is a profit booking in the monthly longs because it is a monthly expiry. So DIIs ने भी कुछ ज़्यादा बाइंग नहीं की है। 97 crores doesn't means anything to any index or any index long or any stocks longs. So निफ्टी अगर डेली टाइम फ्रेम पे वापस जाते हैं, निफ्टी अगर आज का लो तोड़ देता है, मतलब ये सपोर्ट जोन जो बन रहा है 17,550, तो वी कैन सी at least a target of 17,300. Let's talk about बैंक निफ्टी. पिछले कुछ दिनों में हमने ये देखा है कि निफ्टी कुछ भी करे, बैंक निफ्टी खुद का चल रहा है. जब निफ्टी बढ़ रहा था तब बैंक निफ्टी ने रैली नहीं दी थी कुछ दिनों तक, बहुत सारे दिनों तक वी कैन से. और अभी तक ये जो ट्रेंड लाइन मैंने ड्रॉ की है बैंक निफ्टी को, वो ब्रेक होने में टाइम लगा पर अभी तक वो ब्रेक नहीं हुई है. So we can say 37,300 is the good level of support for Bank Nifty. Below that we can see a short covering which will go up to 36,450. We can say 36,500 levels. So we can see a 500 point downside on Bank Nifty once it crosses 37,300 levels. Watch out for the closings. The closings are so much important. The Bank Nifty today have closed at least 300 points, we can say weak. So बैंक निफ्टी का जो वीकनेस है वो अगर कंटिन्यू रहा तो हम डाउनसाइड रैली एक 500 पॉइंट्स की इजीली एक दिन में देख सकते हैं. कल शुक्रवार है, इफ आई एम नॉट रॉन्ग, यस कल शुक्रवार है. शुक्रवार के दिन क्या होता है ऑब्जर्व कीजिए. आउट ऑफ द मार्केट बैठना है हमको. अगर कल का क्लोजिंग वीक हुआ तो वी कैन सी अ मंडे गैप अप एंड देन सेलिंग, huge selling pressure will kick off as FIIs have booked many long positions on the September month. As the GAN said, the many main tops or many major bottoms occurs in the range of 21st of September to 28th of September. We have seen the high. Let's see, 28th September we have the Bank Nifty recent high and a Nifty high. Nifty's high was on 24th of September. Then Nifty is at least watching a pullback or a downside. The major highs or major lows which have been made on the 20 to 28th of September haven't been broken at least 6 months or 1 year in the past data. So beware of your longs. Intraday traders use the price action. There is no positional game for next month. So let's talk about some stocks which I will suggest or the levels of the stocks which I can suggest to you in the next month. Let first talk लेते हैं HDFC. फाइनेंस स्टॉक अभी रैली शुरू करने वाले हैं. फाइनेंस सेक्टर विल बी बूमिंग. इट ऑलवेज बूम्स अराउंड दिवाली. इंडिया बुल्स हाउसिंग एक मटका है. इंडिया बुल्स हाउसिंग छोड़ के HDFC फाइनेंस, then HDFC stock is taking support. Let's see कौन सा मूविंग एवरेज है. इधर कोई तो मूविंग एवरेज रहेगा इसलिए ये सपोर्ट ले रहा है. Yes, we can say at 50 moving average it is taking support. So we can buy this zone or current CMP for a short target of 100 to 200 points. Another stock which I would suggest is HCL. HCL Technologies is one of the favorite stocks of mine. See, in the bull market, IT is already risen a lot, but you will have to go long on IT. Don't short IT. I'm saying again and again. The IT stocks are moving just like the Nifty IT, CNX IT chart. So if Nifty IT has to fire, let's see Nifty IT. So the Nifty IT has to fall, then it has to give a pullback at least. Let's draw a trend line here. This is the zone of support, and if you ask me why I am long on the Nifty IT, or let's see, HCL Tech is just a scalp. HCL Tech was a top gainer in Nifty IT yesterday, because if it has to fall, then it has to come to retest the trend line and then fall again. I'm just hoping for the long on the HCL Tech. In the search of this pullback, we can take a good 100 or 150 point move from here. I was spotted the HCL Tech on the support 1248. I bought it on 1258, and I'm long for at least the target of 13,060, 1360 or more above that. Another stock is TCS, our beloved TCS. This stock has given. I'm carrying the TCS since long time, and I have partially booked my profits. 75% of the units I have sold on TCS because I got good trade. I was sitting in the TCS since the level was 3100, I guess. Let's see my idea. The TCS buy I initiated on August 11 on my TradingView idea platform. I suggested to buy this dip as the TCS was following the channel. Every time it goes up, it comes down, goes up, comes down. I have catched two of the major bottoms of the TCS, this one and this one. TCS का लॉन्ग पोजीशन क्यों बोला इधर, क्योंकि इधर कुछ तो इस 15 जुलाई के आसपास TCS के क्वार्टरली रिजल्ट्स आए थे और वो ब्रेकआउट होते, वो बहुत अच्छे थे और इस बार ब्रेकआउट के चांसेस बहुत थे TCS को। तो मैंने ट्रेड दिया था 3170 के अराउंड, बाय कीजिए और टारगेट रहेगा आपका 3400 फॉर टू बी सेफ। पर आज आप TCS देख रहे, क्योंकि अकॉर्डिंग टू द गैन 3 major tests of the resistance, after the 3 major tests of the resistance, the 4th attempt has the most probability to break the line up and go ahead and ahead. So I booked my 20% quantity on the 3400 levels, and then I will show you. This was the range drawn by me. This is called ascending channel with higher tops and lower bottoms, higher highs and lower lows. The rally was simple. The TCS used to attempt this same rally for long time. So I initiated the trade again here at the bottom, and I booked my 20% units on 3400, near 3400. Then I kept on sitting the TCS, and some quantity I booked on 3700. This first pullback candle, this bearish engulfing pattern, we can say 3700. I booked my rest 50% quantity, and I am sitting on the long on 30% quantity. Then I booked some quantity here 3860. Then TCS profits are fully booked. But again, this stock has come to my radar because this is making a flag pattern. Whenever watch the scenario of Nifty IT and then go longs on IT stocks. If Nifty IT gets revived by the buyers and again continues its bull run ahead of this, we can, and at the same time TCS breaks this flag then we can go long on TCS for targets more than 4,400 and 4,200. The next of my favorite stock is VMart Industries. Sorry, VMart Retail Limited. VMart, one of my most favorite stocks. We can see a good pattern being made here. This is the historic pattern for profits. We call this a cup. There is a cup breakout to VMart and then it has came to retest. I have few quantity added from 3100 the day I got the bottom of the retest levels. This was the day. This is the long tail dragonfly, or we can say long tail doji, which has came to test the retest level, the breakout levels. I got the stock at 3290, 3290 rupees, and it's again back to the range. This candle went to the 3770 or 80, we can say. I haven't booked any of my profits in the surge of 600 to 700 points. So whenever this retracement, or we can say this pattern breaks, this triangle breaks, we can go long on the VMart. But I will suggest to buy VMart at current market price, as the stock rises when it gives break to the any of the channel, it rises 700 to 800 points, which becomes 5% to 10% a day. This candle was, let's see the open and highs. This candle opened on 34.14 and the high made was 3988, at least near about 600 points we got from it. The yesterday's performance of this was 3274. So in 2 days it has given 800 points to the traders. 3274 to this top, the week top was 4087. 800 points in 2 days is not a joke. So if it breaks the channel again, it will rise. The stock has the history to break out in a big bull run. It forms a candle, daily candle of at least 500-400 points. So you can accumulate this in your portfolio. Again, one stock which is sitting in a good position to bank, which is buy, which is Axis Bank. This is a huge cup and handle breakout, and it has come to retest the buying zone for Axis Bank would be near 750 with a strict stop loss of 720 rupees, and we can expect a minimum target of 800 to 820 rupees, and ahead that 900 for short term goal. Short term in the sense 6 months to 1 year. The metals are down. Might be auto sector will be in the focus, the next dark horse for next 2 months. Then this one is my favorite one. I got 16% return from this in 1 month. Not even 1 month. I held the stock for 5 to 6 days. From the bottom of 724, it made high of 1000. I booked it around 920 or something. So keep these stocks in your mind and made your positions around it. I'm posting my Instagram handle down there. You can message me there, or you can ask queries, or we can have a good chit chat, good time with the stock market and you guys. Thank you for loving. I'm lacking on subscribers to please subscribe the channel and let me grow with your wishes. Have a good time. Bye.